students. Our today's topic is chapter number 5, subtraction, from your textbook. Okay. As you have already studied subtractions in your previous standards, today we shall study some properties of subtractions and will revise the previous standards subtractions with borrowing and without borrowing. Okay. So let's begin with the properties. See, if we subtract 0 from any number, then we get the same number as answer. Okay? For an example, if I am subtracting 0 from 15, then the answer will become the number itself, that is 15. Okay? So, this is the property number 1 regarding to subtraction. Any number and 0 is subtracted from that particular number, the answer is that number only. Okay? The answer is a number itself. Okay? Now, the second property of the subtraction is number and is subtracted from the same number. Any number and then it is subtracted from the same number, 9 minus 9. Okay? So, it will give us 0 always. Okay, when any number is subtracted from the same number, this 15 is subtracted from the same number 15, then we shall always get the answer 0. Any number and it is subtracted from the same number, then it will give us 0. This is the property number 2 for subtraction. Okay, now in subtraction all the numbers have the different names. आप यहाँ पे 3 टर्म्स देख सकते हो, 3 नंबर्स आप देखते हो. ओके, एक नंबर होता है जिसमें से आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो, दूसरा नंबर जो आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो और जो आंसर आपको मिलता है वो. तो इन तीनों टर्म्स को अलग अलग नाम दिए हुए हैं, तो वो नेम आज हम सीखेंगे. ओके, द फर्स्ट नंबर from which we are subtracting the second number. पहला नंबर जो है जिसमें से हम दूसरा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं उसको बोलते हैं माइन्यूएंड. ओके, MINUEND, माइन्यूएंड. ओके, the next one is subtrahend. Okay, the other number which is subtracted, it is subtrahend, and the answer that we obtain after subtraction is called the difference. Okay, the answer that we obtain after addition is called sum. Okay, and the answer that we obtain after subtraction is called difference. The first number from which the second number is subtracted is called minuend. The second number which is subtracted from minuend is called subtrahend, and the answer is called difference. Okay, so these are the 3 terms that we have studied today. Okay, 3 terms related to subtraction we have studied. Now we will move to the exercise number 5A, in which you can see you are given some sums of subtraction without borrowing. Okay, so some of the sums I'll do from the exercise and rest of the sums you will have to try to solve on your own. Okay, so we'll do question number 1A. As you have already studied subtractions, we will not do more sums in the lecture or in the period. We will do the sums that you are not already studied, that you have not studied already. Okay, the sums that you have, the type of sums which you have not studied already, that we will focus on. Okay, see number 1A. You are given columns and in those columns the numbers are arranged for you. 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and ones. These are the number columns. ओके ये आपको हेड दिए जैसे आपको पता है ऑलरेडी ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So these are the headings and under which you are given the number 75,625 and from that you have to minus 42,320. Okay, as you already know that subtraction means to reduce the number by the given number. कम करना है जितने भी आपको दिए हैं नंबर उसमें से आपको इतने कम करने हैं. Okay, so 5 minus 0 will be 5. This is a property we had studied earlier. 2 minus 2 the number and from that the same number will be subtracted. So it will give us 0. 6 minus 3 will be 3. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 7 minus 4 will be 3. Here is the answer 33,305. Okay, this way you will solve all the subtraction sums up to question number 4D. Okay, 1A I have done for you and in this way you will solve question up to question number 4D in your textbook on your own. Okay, now we will move to the question number 5 in which you are given numbers without arranging. Okay, we'll have to arrange them in columns like this and then we have to subtract. Okay, so first of all what will we need to do is we'll count how much is there the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. In number A we are given up to 10,000. So I'll write down 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. 72,569. 72,569 minus 30,254. Okay. See, 9 minus 4 will give us 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. And 7 minus 3 will be 4. Here 42,315 is the answer. This way we will have to mark the columns. Okay, we will have to arrange in columns. The given number first of all will be arranged in columns and then we will subtract it. Okay, now we'll do number B. In that one, the number that is minimum is given up to 10,000. So we'll write down the columns up to 10,000 first. Okay, 18,697. And in the subtrahend you are given only 4-digit number. It means the number in the subtrahend has not 10,000 place in it. So we will have to put it blank. Okay, उसको हम blank रहने देंगे और बाकी के जो 4 डिजिट है वो बाकी के कॉलम्स में लिख देंगे. 7 minus 4 3, 9 minus 6 3, 6 minus 2 4, 8 minus 5 3 and 1 minus nothing means the number itself 1. 1 में से हम अगर कुछ भी सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं तो the number as it is आंसर में आएगा. Okay, or else you can put 0 over here. Okay, for your convenience you can put 0 here. Okay, now number C. Okay, C number is there up to 10,000 which we have already solved as per number A. So you will try to solve number C as per number A. We'll do number D now because in that you are given the place value up to lakhs. There you are given the 5-digit numbers. Number D, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, 8,65,485. Okay, minus 5,12,062. Okay, 5 minus 2 will be 3. 8 minus 6 will be 2. 4 minus 0 will be 4. 3, 5, again 3. 3,53,423 is the answer. This way you will have to do all the questions of question number 5. Okay, now we'll move to the question number 6, in which we'll have to first write down the number and then we'll have to arrange them in the columns and then we'll subtract the numbers. ओके आपको नंबर नेम दिया है, उसमें से पहले आप नंबर लिखो, फिर उसको कॉलम्स वाइज अरेंज करो एंड फिर आप उसको सबट्रैक्ट करो. ठीक है, सबट्रैक्ट 41,536 from 5,74,958. Okay, here you are given the numbers up to 10,000. Okay, 41,000 means 4141 अगर आता है तो 2 डिजिट नंबर अगर 1000 में होता है तो वो 10,000 तक जाएगा नंबर. ठीक है, 1000 में अगर सिंगल डिजिट नंबर होता है, फॉर एन एग्जांपल 1000, 5000, तो सिर्फ वो प्लेस वैल्यू 1000 तक आती है. लेकिन 1000 में जब आप 2 डिजिट नंबर गिनते हो तब वो 10,000 तक आता है. ठीक है, तो we'll write down the columns from 10,000, 1000, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, 41,536, 41,536 from 5,74,958. Okay, 5,74,958. Okay, these we have arranged in columns. Now you can see the number that is given after from will come first. Okay, will come first always when we are doing subtraction. Okay, जब from के बाद का जो नंबर होता है वो ऊपर ही लिखना होता है और from के पहले जो नंबर आपको दिया है वो नीचे ही आता है subtraction में. हमने ये कॉलम वाइज और नंबर वाइज लिखा, नंबर नेम में से हमने नंबर्स लिखे और कॉलम वाइज ये नंबर लिख लिया. अब हम इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, लेकिन सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, फ्रॉम के बाद का नंबर जो है वो ऊपर लिखना पड़ता है. ओके, क्योंकि ऑलवेज वो जो फ्रॉम के बाद का नंबर है वो ही आपको बढ़ा देते हैं. ओके, वो नंबर फ्रॉम के पहले वाले नंबर से बड़ा, दैट इज बिगर होता है. 5,74,958. ओके, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, minus 41,536. Okay, now we'll find out the difference. 8 minus 6 will be 2, 5 minus 3 will be 2, 9 minus 5 will be 4, 4 minus 1 will be 3, 7 minus 4 will be 3, and 5 minus nothing will be the number itself, 5. Okay, so this is question number 6A. Now question number 6B you will try to do on your own. Okay, this question number 5 and 6 all you will have to do in your fair notebook because you are not given any space in the textbook to do or to solve the sums. Okay, so from question number 5 you will do in the fair notebook. Okay, now we will move to the question number 7. In question number 7, we are not given the numbers directly, but we are given the numbers with their names, minute, subtrahend and all we are given. So from that we will have to conclude which number will come up and which will come down. Okay, minute, as you already know, the first number of the subtraction is called minute. So we'll place the minute on the up. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ऊपर हमें माइन्यूट लिखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि माइन्यूट का मतलब है फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ द सब्ट्रैक्शन फ्रॉम विच वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द अदर नंबर. 42,379. See, if you are not writing this 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones, then too it is okay. Okay, and the subtrahend is 12,124. This is the other given number which you have to subtract from this number. Okay, and you will have to find out the difference. 9 minus 4 will be 5. 5, 2, 0, 3. 30,255 is the difference. This is the difference of the answer. Now, the next one, in which subtrahend and minute are given and you will have to find out the difference. Same way you will do the 7b. Okay, 7a में जैसे मैंने किया है वैसे ही आप 7b करोगे, लेकिन 7b में आपको ध्यान क्या रखना है, उसमें आपको पहले सबट्राहेंड दिया है और फिर आपको माइन्यूट लिख के दिया है, तो माइन्यूट तो पहले ही आना चाहिए, तो वो ऊपर आएगा और सबट्राहेंड नीचे आएगा यहाँ पे. ओके, and the last one is subtract 49,271 from 2,59,895. ओके, फ्रॉम के बाद का जो नंबर है वो सब्ट्रैक्शन में ऊपर आता है, तो हम 2,59,000 वाला नंबर ऊपर लिखेंगे. ओके, 2,59,895 माइनस 49,271. Okay, 4, 2, 6, 0, 1, 2. 2,10,624 is the answer. Okay, this is question number 7C. So here we end up our exercise 5A and our lecture as well. Okay, the sums that we have not done in the lecture, that you will try to solve on your own. Up to question number 4D you will be able to write down in the textbook. Then from question number 5 to 7 you are not given any space in textbook. So from 5 to 7 all sums you will write down in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video.